There you go, ladies and gentlemen, right next to the Tower of the Americas. La UNAM, Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México. That's all that is right in there. Right next to the park. And these ducks, I should take them to Terry and Lori.
1, 2, 3, go!
Check that out. Go bike, man. Oh! He won, he won. What's your name?
Giovanni.
Giovanni.
Yes.
That's a cool name. How about your name?
Asea.
Isaiah.
Isaiah.
Are you guys from San Antonio, born and raised?
Yes, sir. Born and raised.
That's cool.
Yes, sir.
And you guys work?
Yes, sir. I do work.
How much? Where at?
It's called the Petroleum Club.
How
It's
much
like
you-
it's far, yeah.
How much you make an hour?
I'd say 14, 13 maybe.
How about you?
I don't work at the moment.
You don't work? Have you ever worked?
Yeah.
How much you made an hour?
Like 12 or
12 bucks an hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why am I asking you so many questions? I'm
Uh,
gonna pay you guys for rolling down the street.
huh?
I'm gonna pay you for rolling down the hill.
For real?
Yeah.
What the heck? That's what we what the heck?
Let me see. Let me see. You make 12 bucks an hour, so I'll give you.
He's not joking. He is not joking.
I got 15 for you.
Thank you.
And you? I got 15.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Stay out of trouble, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate you guys doing that
Yes,
for
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
You wanna find this video somewhere?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually.
Look up un mexicano blanco en Texas.
On YouTube?
Yes, and then YouTube. Or a white Mexican in Texas.
So type it in.
You don't know how to type a white Mexican in Texas?
Nah.
Hey. Let me stop this. If you wanna, actually guys, if you come over here, you can go all the way up there. I believe you need to make reservations, and you can go. I'm actually gonna link it in this video, so you guys can Google it and you see reservations for parking as well as for to go out there and chill. The thing up there rotates, so you can see the city of San Antonio, but it rotates very slowly, so you don't even notice that you're moving. Social media is beautiful. I don't think I was going to make it with the daylight. We got hydrated. And if there is a line to get in there, I ain't going. I am not going to the correct pronunciation. No I got YouTube. 15 minutes.